how do you format properties using custom coded action in HubSpot?
Yeah, so in HubSpot, so formatting property. So you can use inside workflow. You can use the format actions inside workflow, and then if you don't get the result that you're looking for, so you can use the how do you call it again? So the workflow custom coded actions. So now let's say, for instance, you have a custom object, and that custom object has different kind of value. You see, that was malformatted when was doing the entry. So now the way that you're gonna have to do that is using custom coded actions, where you pull that property value, you see, and then with JavaScript, then you can change whatever stuff. You can remove a part of some word, and then you can even add some word, or you can shift some words or text characters and stuff like that. So yeah, so you can do those stuff, and then you just output the data. You see, so yeah, so once you output the data, so that's value that like the variable that's gonna output the data from, so you can use it later inside HubSpot. You see, so either you're gonna be using the copy and edit property, you see, I mean edit actions inside HubSpot, or you can just use you can update it directly from the code using the API and update that value. So yeah, so that is the way of so you can do, like with custom code action, you can do different kind of formatting, date formatting. You see, you can do text formatting, numbered formatting, or you can do calculation. Let's say, for instance, there's no decimals or currency on the number, whatever stuff, so you want to change it. So that's, you can also try to do that as well. So there is different kind of formatting that you can do. So with the custom coded actions operations hub, you have like a lot of opportunity to do that. That must update.